Good morning, and welcome to our Friday Historical Halloween Assembly. We would like to recognize, acknowledge, and thank the Songhees and the Esquimalt nations on whose traditional lands we live, work, play, and learn. Please stand for O Canada and the school song.
Good morning, my name is Bonnie Henry. I was born in Charlottetown, Prince Edward Island. At a young age, I knew I wanted to be a doctor. Early on in my career, I was a ship's physician in the Canadian Navy. Then I became interested in infectious diseases, public health, and preventative medicine. I have worked for UNICEF and the World Health Organization's polio eradication program in Pakistan, and combating an Ebola outbreak in Uganda. In 2018, I was appointed BC's Provincial Health Officer, and I am the first female to hold this position. 2 years later, as COVID-19 spread across the world, I became a household name to British Columbians. Be calm, be kind, be safe. Welcome to Historical Halloween 2020.
Hi. My name is Edward. I'm 75 years old. I live in Russia. For 20 years, I was on a boat looking for people who got in trouble. Now I live with my daughter and my 3 grandchildren. I teach them how to build a fire and how to stay safe. Now I'm their hero and I love it.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Jacques Cousteau. I was born in France in 1910. I was a naval officer, explorer, conservationist, filmmaker, scientist, photographer, and author. I invented modern diving equipment as we know it today. I admire Jacques Cousteau because he was very important in coral reef conservation, and during a time when many people hunted sharks, he helped save them.
Did you know that a long time ago, people thought I wasn't creative? Hello, I'm an American man from Chicago. I was born in 1901. I love to draw. My greatest creations is this little guy, Mickey Mouse, and a place called Disney World. My name's Walt Disney, and don't ever forget my words. If you can dream it, you can do it.
Emily's hotel. She got polio and soon she had one leg that couldn't move. She was first woman allowed to do horseback riding in the Olympics. She made a place for people with disabilities to ride horses.
Okay. Oh yeah. Sorry, I've got to go. Hi, I am Donald Lewis Haynes, born in 1907, and I am a Canadian inventor. My most famous invention in 1937 was a walkie-talkie, a portable radio signaling system, first called a pack set, since it was housed in a backpack. It became famous in 1939 when World War II broke out. I joined the Department of National Defense to develop the walkie-talkie farther. I added a voice scrambler to prevent eavesdropping and a filter to eliminate battle noises. In 2006, I was inducted into Canada's Telecommunications Hall of Fame.
Hello everyone, my name is Martin Luther King Jr. I was born on January 15th, 1929 in Atlanta, Georgia. I was a very good student, and after finishing my studies, I worked very hard for civil rights, and I succeeded. I won the Nobel Peace Prize. I always believe that all human beings are equal and there is no difference of color and race. I always believed in loving human beings. You may remember my great speech on civil rights in front of the Lincoln Memorial, in which I talked about my dream. I told people that you are free human beings, and at the end of my speech, my last few words were, free at last, thank God Almighty, free at last. These words are written on my grave. I died in 1968.
Hi, I'm Dr. Nalina Nadkarni, the treetop scientist. I work in Costa Rica studying the rare plant life at the tops of some of the tallest trees in the cloud forest. Did you know the wind can move trees up to 180,000 miles per year? I do, because I'm the one who calculated it. There's not a single person on Earth who couldn't use a connection with nature, so I help get more people into nature by taking them to the treetops. I hope to take you someday.
Hi, my name is Old Tom Morris. I was born in St. Andrews, Scotland in 1821. I work at St. Andrews Golf Club as a greenskeeper, clubmaker, golf instructor, and course designer. I won the British Open 4 times and held the record as being the oldest winner at 46 years old. I died just before my 87th birthday when I fell down the stairs in the clubhouse at St. Andrews Golf Club.
Hello, my name is David Suzuki. I was born in Vancouver, BC on March 24th, 1936, and I am 84 years old. I spent my life trying to help reverse global climate change. I started the David Suzuki Foundation, and our focus was to keep oceans sustainable for fishing, also to stop climate change and use green energy that does not pollute. I'm outspoken against governments around the world that do not take climate change seriously. I use science against anyone that claims climate change is a lie. I admire that David Suzuki is passionate about the environment and takes care not to hurt it. He has devoted his life to making sure it can be enjoyed for many generations to come. He devoted his life to educating people on our impact to the environment by hosting a television series called The Nature of Things. I would recommend this TV series to anyone because it not only shows the beauty of nature, but raises awareness. Thank you.
Hola, my name is Luciana Aymar. I was born August 10th, 1977 in Rosario, Argentina. I am a retired field hockey player. I started playing at age 7. A few years later, I started training with a junior national team in Buenos Aires. I also went to Germany and Spain to play there as well. Also, I am the youngest Argentine to be accepted into the Argentina senior team when I was 16. I won 2 World Cups, 6 champion trophies, 3 Pan American Games, and 3 Pan American Cups. I am the only player in history to have won the International Hockey Federation Player of the Year award 8 times. Also, I was declared Legend of Hockey by the International Hockey Federation in 2008. Now I am 43. Gracias.
Mr. Bowers, do you have any announcements?
Mrs. Bigelow, I'm a little bit perturbed here, Mrs. Bigelow.
What's wrong, Mr.
Well,
Bowers?
you know what? Recycling. It's just gone by the wayside. And I'm here to say we need to get back to some good habits.
Well,
I've got my green recycling bin.
I think that's a great idea because I've been thinking about it too. We've got the lunch program starting again in January, and we're going to try to make things as compostable as possible.
Perfect.
But what I wanted to talk to you about today was garbage-free lunches. I am hoping that we can have the lunches that our children and all of us teachers bring to school are garbage-free.
Wonderful.
The gift to me when I leave at the end of June would be that there is only 1 small bag of garbage created by this whole school every week. Do you think we can do it?
We're on it, Mrs. Bigelow. We're on it.
Yay, thank you so much.
From Durham House, representing grade 1 is the great champion, weighing in at 65 pounds with an arm like a slingshot. It's Isaiah, the national
Thank you, and have a safe and happy Halloween, everyone.